Hey guys, it's your girl Eonnie Dear here today, and I'm going to be showing you how I do my everyday natural makeup look. Now, I've already prepped my face. I've already washed off my face, did my normal Korean skincare routine, and now I'm just showing you that I put on my oil, my Elemis rose oil, and then I go as a primer. I didn't use a normal primer. I just use that to keep my face just dewy and moisturized, and I just go straight in with my Chanel powder. Now, if I wasn't using Chanel powder, I most likely would be using the Maybelline Fit Me powder in 240. That's also one of my go-to powders, drugstore powders. But this my godmother got for me, and I've been using it faithfully because it's one of my favorites. It's something my mother used to use, so it's just more of a nostalgia thing. It just makes me feel happy when I put it on. So I'm just taking the Chanel and just dabbing it everywhere all over my face and making sure that it's even and going down my neck. Now next, I am going to be using, what brush is this? Just use a normal, I like to call it a fluffy brush, and I just buff in the powder after I dab it with a sponge. I feel like it just distributes the powder evenly. Now, since we're going for an everyday natural look, if my blemishes seep through, it doesn't really bother me. It's not that I don't really care, it's just that, whatever. I'm happy. If somebody's bothered by my acne, they can get over it. But anyways, right now I'm just putting on my concealer. I like to put it on the edge of my eye and down the in the corner of my eye where you see it has like a deep set, just to cover up that deep set eye. I put it there. I also put it at the sides of my mouth. You'll see right here at the bottom. I just go up. I feel like it gives my face a lifted look. You don't really have to do under your lip. It's not really necessary. But then after that, I just let it dry for maybe about a minute or two, and I go in and I blend it out. Now before I do that, since I'm doing a simple look, I'm just gonna you can take any brown eyeshadow and just put it all over your lid, in the crease, on top of the lid, everywhere. Just messily if you want to, just put it all over your lid. As you can see here, I'm not using any precision. I am just going in. And then after that, I take my ring finger, the most gentle finger on your hand, and just blending in that concealer. I don't know, I think it just gives me a cute little lift. And then I just take my sponge with the residue Chanel powder and just tap and buff that in to make it more smooth and more one tone. Because my concealer is it's a little bit lighter than my skin tone for I guess for highlighting. But right now I don't really want it to be too bright. So I just blend it in and pat over it with the residual powder. See, I still look like myself. You can still see my blemishes. It doesn't bother me that much. So now I'm just taking that color and just going over my eye again, and then pulling it outwards to make it have a more winged out effect. I don't usually use liner. I kind of like to make my eyeshadow look like liner, so I just wing it out at the end. Next, I'm taking my favorite blush palette And I'm going in with the two first lightest shades. And I'm just gonna put it right at the top of my cheekbone. That is my favorite place to put it. And then after that, once I've done that, I go on to my cheeks and then my nose, just to give that cute little blush look. Now, as I said, I do not like to really wear a lot of liner, so what I do is I take a chocolate brown and a precision kind of pencil brush, and I put that on the bottom corners of my eye, and I wing it out upwards, just to give the eye look a little bit more depth. And I find that doing this, it puts more emphasis on your lashes. Like, it just makes your lashes look longer and more defined. I don't know why, because I am not a professional makeup artist yet. We're getting there. We're gonna do that. But I just like how that looks. And it just, you see how my lashes just look more defined, even though I haven't even put on mascara yet. You can like see the edges of my lashes. Now I'm just gonna take a cool tone cool tone brown and contour my face. Now I do underneath my cheekbone, my jawline, and I do the sides of my nose into my eye crease. I just think it blends in better. It looks a little bit more seamless. As you can see here, I'm putting more blush. Didn't need more blush, but I like blush. So, you know, to be extra cute. Now this is one of my favorite highlighters. I like to use the golden side of Bretman Rock's highlighter and just go in. And if you put on too much, keep blending it. Don't worry. If you have to, you can go over with the brush that you put on your powder with and go over and tone it down. But I like for my highlight to be seen by aliens. So everyone must see it, space must see it, all of that. Anyways, I like to put it on the tops of my cheeks, my nose, my cupid's bow, my chin, everything. Now this is where you have to try this mascara combo. You do the Bretman Rock's Bad Bitch Lift and you do the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. When I tell you, your lashes would look so good. Oh, you have to try this. So as you can see right now, before I do anything, I'm going to just curl them. Oh, look how cute they are. Actually, I think I put the mascara on first and then I curl them. I usually do that. So what I do is I take the Bretman, put that on first to lift, and then I take the Too Faced Better Than Sex and just coat it. And girl, you see how my lashes look? Then you curl them and girl, you looking cute. Here, I'm just putting on my little lip balm. It's tinted, so it gives me a little pinky look. And usually after that, that's it. If you want, you can take some mist spray and mist your face. And you're out the door, sweetie. Look how cute. Anyways, I just let down my hair and this is the finished look. This is my favorite everyday makeup. I think this is so cute, so fresh. Hopefully my techniques will get better as I keep playing with makeup. But if you want, try it at home. Let me know. Send me pictures. Everything I have, Twitter, YouTube, Instagram is Eonnie Dear. Love you guys.